Hi, 8th graders, it's Miss Dodd. Today we are going to be writing our first DBQ of the year. DBQ stands for Document-Based Question. So it's a question that you write and you're looking at different documents to help you get the answer. So the directions are this. Write a well-organized, clear, multi-paragraph response using information from documents 1 through 4 and your knowledge of social studies. And the prompt that we're responding to is this. Discuss how environmental issues are affecting Louisiana. Support your ideas with reasons, facts, and details using evidence from each of the documents, and include information and examples from your own knowledge of social studies. Oh, there go the lights. Okay, so take a moment to read through all 4 documents. Make annotations as needed. I would suggest here in the prompt, anything that seems like an environmental issue, like a problem in the environment, circle it. And anything that seems like an effect on the people that live in Louisiana or the state itself, underline it. Okay, now we are going to start into our planning phase. So have out your annotations. The first thing you're going to do is just sketch up the first sentence of your intro. How are you going to start this essay? We know it's about environmental issues and its effects on Louisiana. So say something to that effect. You could say, Louisiana has many environmental issues, or we live in a time where there are many problems with the environment in the world, or a whole bunch of things. All right, let's go down to paragraph 1. You've seen this rage paragraph before. This is a modified rage called a rageage. And the first thing that you need to do for a rage is to restate the question. So our prompt is, how are environmental issues affecting Louisiana? So you start by saying, the environmental issues are affecting Louisiana because, and then you answer the question, what are the effects, or which documents show you that there are effects on the environment? You should also make sure when you're restating to identify what you think the environmental issues are that you are talking about in this essay. Environmental issues such as are affecting Louisiana because, and then your answer, or such as. So issue 1 goes in document 1. An effect or issue 2 goes in this document here. I meant by the first document. G is give evidence. So you're going to find the document that helps support the argument they're trying to make in A about which issues are affecting and how they're affecting Louisiana. And then you will provide evidence with G and explain the evidence. Now, the E for rage is the most important part of this entire process. That tells the person reading your essay that you really understand your topic. It's very easy just to throw out a document and make sure that you explain exactly what you mean. How is this issue affecting Louisiana according to what you've read and what you know from outside sources? Now you'll repeat the same process for G and for E. Again, give evidence and support it, explain your answer. In paragraph 2, remember our prompt said it needed to be multi-paragraph. You are going to focus perhaps on one effect in detail or one issue in detail, one of the causes of the effects. For example, in mine, I would talk about the issue of coastal flooding. And then I would support it with the documents that I think best talk about that and highlight how it's affecting Louisiana and making sure to explain each document. Don't forget to wrap up your conclusion with an essay. Don't forget to wrap up your essay with a conclusion. Sorry, guys, I'm tired. And then that should be it for your outline. You're ready to write now. So get out your paper for your final draft, collect your thoughts, and begin writing.